So please follow me. First, this is read the file. And this check the missing value and the data type. 好，这两个是在做这件事情。Okay, and this part process is the label encoder to do the read processing. 到这边都是预处理。Okay. Reduce as and transpose plus. And this if the x follows then define y variable. Then split the data into train and test. The percentage is test. Okay. Build the decision tree. Okay, and this is fit the training model. This is use the classification tool to find the accuracy. And this to get the leaves to get the depth of the tree. And this is very important. This is a new part. 之前我们没有讲到这个啊。To build the test tree 文字树 I will give you Chinese. So it uses the sklearn input export test. Then we use the export test. The model is here. 这边放了的变数的名称用拟栏为名称，然后把它印出来，那我们就可以得到这个决策的树。This is the test flow tree. Yeah. Is that okay? This is the first step. And then we want to do it in entropy. Okay. So build the tree with entropy. Because default is G, 预设是基尼系数，我们现在用 entropy. Classification 2 equal here. This time we do not put too much. 0.1 is enough. and this we will use the 好，我们还是一样的，不要改，比较一下。我们这边用 entropy， then we fit， 一样。But remember, now is classification 2， 这个应该是2咯 ，2 because it's entropy。所以我们加一个这个 entropy。好，那这个文字数的部分呢，我们最后印比较好的，所以我们把它放到最后面。啊，文字数这边我们先把它注解起来。We code it, we note it, and we check which one is better, then we will use it. Okay. Which one is better? Genie, right? Genie is, we have to check the testing. Testing, Genie is 0.8, but for entropy it's 0.5, so it's better. This one is better. So we print the tree. 我们就印比较好的 print the better tree of Genie and entropy. 我们挑里面比较好的 which one is better based on the test? Based on the test, ACC. So the better one is 2. 比较好的是 entropy 的，所以我们就印 entropy 的数。所以改掉了啊。The test tree we will use the entropy because it's better, the result is better. 这个才是比较好的结果。好，所以 first please copy this into our assignment job. Download it, this file. OK， 全变数的正确率，请你填这里。The highest accuracy for all the tree to build the model. We think the highest is this one, entropy. And please pass the test tree here. Later, we will do that later. Okay, now okay, have you already do that? Not yet, so I'm waiting for you. 现在我做的是全变数的正确率，我用的是 Gini 跟 entropy 两种比较好的是 entropy。OK， back to here. Now we want to do the following thing. Okay. Here, Please follow me here. Select several features with large variation. We will discuss about. There is two methods that we can select attribute. The method we just use is for all the attribute. 刚刚我们用的是全变数，对不对？好，全变数没什么好讲，但我们可以用其他的方法。啊，全变数人和票就是基因跟 intra 条子而已。但是我们可以用什么 statistical test、High-score test，用卡方分配法去决定最强的配的变数。怎么做？Digital selection using the machine learning model by eliminating the least important features after recurrent training. Select from model feature selection based on feature importance. So, sequential feature selection is SFS means first, forward means starting from 0 feature, and 8, the best feature of cross validation into the model one by one until the number of features is reached. And the other one is backwards. First, we're starting from 8 all features to the model, and we delete one by one until the number we want. So suppose today we want the top 5. 假设我们今年要最强的5个 ，forward 就是0开始加最强的，直到我要的5个。Backward 就是一开始11个都全加，然后慢慢删到我要的最强的5个。Understand? Okay. Now we will use it by Python. So build the tree will be later. Then we will build the models so that actually. Fine. X squared. Top 5 by chi-square. So draw escalator. Feature selection. Input. Select. K best. And chi-square. So we want these two modules. Two function. Select K best. Chi-square. Okay. So SK equal. Select K best. The first is method chi-square. The second is K equal 5. I want top 5. We use SK to fit. S1. X train. And the Y train. And then print. SK dot get names, feature names out. Print. So there is no feature names out. Let me see. It changed.下面这个先不要印，免得它错。And okay, the best five is age, income, married, children, save account. Okay, so we passed here. So this is chi-squared. First, age, income, married, children, save account. Age, so age, income, married, children, save account. Is your answer the same with me? Okay, and we want to use this five attribute to build the model. So we will tell that as new one. The scalar trans of S. 看一下我出来 X new thread. Okay, but it is not data thread, so we need to make it as a data thread. And now stop data thread. Okay, and this is become data frame, and we need the color. What is the colors? just this part. Give the color. Come on. Okay. So I have asked new data set here. Right. And I can build the model now. OK，我还是写一下 note 好不好好，this is select the top file as a new file. This is transfer as a data frame. This is the columns name, and then we use the model. Review the model. 我们重建这个 top file. I square attribute. Three. Oh, because we have already known the entropy is better, so we use the entropy. And then the other part is the same. Bit. And white trail. And then we print. Check. This is the answer. This is training, right? And then the other one is to find. Importance of the attribute. Okay. This will be the feature importance here. Mm. And H will be this one. Income will be this one. Children will be this one. Or married will be this one. And children and single account. I'm waiting for you.